Hi, I'm Holly Clegg. Welcome to my Trim and Terrific kitchen. I have some great rush hour recipes for you today. It's holiday season and you know how hectic that can be. And you need gifts and gifts and gifts. But I'm here today with 3 affordable homemade gifts. But you're not going to spend lots of time in the kitchen because you know me, we're all busy, and I'm going to keep it easy on you so you're going to look great. You know, you need gifts for your neighbors, your teachers, and I'll tell you what really people appreciate, your doctor gifts. So let's start with my favorite. These are holiday bars, perfect for this season. And what you could do is you can make it on a disposable plate, give it on anything you don't want back. Cookie swaps are great. So let me tell you how you make these. It's really the essence of the season. So have you ever had those Hello Dollies, those 7-layer bar cookies? Well, that's about what this is. But we start with a ginger snap crust, which gives it that spice. You have tart dried cranberries, white chocolate chips, and fat-free sweetened condensed milk. Remember, everything I do is trim and terrific. And this one's even diabetic friendly. Breads are probably my favorite gift, and quick breads are just what they are, quick. These are 2 of my favorite holiday bread recipes. This is a cranberry yam bread and a banana bread. Both are made with Bisquick, so I told you it's simple. What I love to do is make them ahead of time. You know, I have to tell a story. My daughter one time got mad at me because I said, I like to make gifts in different sizes. You can make them ahead and freeze them. If I like the person, I give them a big bread. And if I don't like them, I give them a little one. Obviously, that's not true. But what's fun is to make one recipe, which will do a big pan, but you could do it in little pans, and that way you could give your friends an assortment. And then if you keep them in the freezer, when that unexpected person pops in, just a minute, I'll go get them. And they're also great snacks or just little hand-me gifts or hostess gifts or whatever. And last, we have spiced walnuts, another wonderful make-ahead gift. And remember, walnuts are really high in omega-3s and really good for you as well. And I like to make these because I put them on cheese trays. You could even put them in little mason jars. You could even just do something simple like wrapping up a plastic bag and tying a little ribbon around it. Just something to keep it festive. Again, very simple to make. It has a little cayenne, gives it that little heat, sugar for the little sweet, and spice, we have cinnamon and cumin, so it's a really wonderful combination of flavors. All these recipes are easy, affordable, and will make you look good to your friends. Remember, the gift of food keeps on giving. And I hope you'll join me in making these and make your holiday a festive one. And if you want the recipes, you know they're all on the link below. And come see me on Facebook and all the other social media platforms because we have lots of fun. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the kitchen. For this recipe and a discount code for all my cookbooks, just check the link below.